channel. Today we are eating some Panda Express. This was actually just for the thumbnail. This is actually my boyfriend's. I got it for him because of the large size. He really wanted that. So I'm gonna put this to the side. So what we got to eat today. Sorry if it's a little dark. It's a little bit later in the day when I filmed this. So I got chow mein. Let me put up close. I only had it like that for the thumbnail so we can move the stuff out the way now. So I have some chow mein, orange chicken, and then the walnut shrimp. And I haven't had Panda Express in like a really long time, so I'm really excited. And they didn't give me any soy sauce or chili sauce, so I guess I'm just not gonna eat that with it. And I also got some crab rangoons. You can't see that. I also got some crab rangoons. These are my favorite. Like, if you guys go to the buffet a lot, you know that they serve these at like Chinese buffets and stuff, and I get so many of these because I love them. I see that cream cheese. And so to drink, I just have some water right here. I haven't had Panda Express in a really long time. So if you're an OG, before Panda Express was popular, I used to go to Panda Express and they did not have crab rangoons or anything when I used to go. So I was so happy when they got these. But I haven't had this in a long time, so if I'm not talking a lot, I'm sorry. I'm about to enjoy this though. So there's the chow mein. Orange chicken. I think they made it a little bit more spicier than they used to be. Walnut shrimp. I saw they had a new kind of shrimp and I kind of wanted to try it, but I haven't had this in so long and this used to be my favorite. So good. So how are you guys doing today? This was like a spur of the moment mukbang. I was watching Tay and Lou, their last Panda Express mukbang. I feel like I'm super dark. And ever since then I've been craving Panda Express. I'm gonna have another walnut shrimp. I love seafood. Like, that's one thing about me. I really want to do a like crab leg mukbang, like a, not really a seafood boil, but just, you know, something that has like crab legs and shrimp and stuff. I'd probably end up getting it from Red Lobster though, so I wouldn't call it like a seafood boil. This is so good. I've literally not had this, I think, in years, to be honest. I love shrimp. I'm gonna take a sip of his Coke. Don't tell him, guys. Don't tell him. Oh my god. So have you guys been keeping up with the YouTube drama lately? I'm sure you have. What are your thoughts on, well, I'm gonna first talk about Tati and James Charles. Why do I not get this more often? So, to be honest, I'm not really well, I never really cared for James Charles. Even back when he was like, well, he still is popular, but like before all this happened. Whenever I'm like scrolling through Twitter or something, or even YouTube, I would see stuff about him. And I've never just been drawn to his videos. Or him at all, to be completely honest. I've obviously never met him, so, you know, I just kind of go off my gut when it comes to people. And he just seemed like someone that I would just not be interested in watching. You know? So when all this went down, and people started unsubscribing from him and everything, I didn't really, I mean, I was never subscribed, so. So I don't know the exact details of everything that happened. I've watched Tati's video, of course. I didn't watch James' video because I just didn't care to, but yeah, I mean, you know, you make mistakes, and should he lose the fame that he's got because of those mistakes? I mean, do I even feel like he deserved the fame that he got? I don't know. If you hear scratching, it's my cat. I don't know why he decided to do this during a video. But, yeah. So, like I said, I don't have a huge opinion on the situation just because I don't know enough about it to say exactly how I feel about it. Oh my god. Can you stop? Maybe I'll show him at the end of the video. If you want to see my cat, stay tuned. But, yeah, I don't know enough about the situation to comment on it, really, but like I said, I never cared for him. So, I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments, though, about that whole situation. I don't think anybody I know doesn't really watch him, so I would love to talk to you guys about it. So yeah, tell me what you think down in the comments. I also want to talk about in the mukbang community the drama with Trisha Paytas and Nikocado Avocado. I'm purposely not eating these because they're so good that I'm trying to save them for last. But it's so good. Might have to get 2 of those next time. But yeah. Have you guys seen what's been going on with, if you watch mukbangs, I'm sure you know what's been going on with Nikocado and Trisha Paytas. I remember watching his videos a while ago and seeing all in the comments like, what happened with you and Trisha Paytas? What happened with you and Trisha Paytas? So I've always been curious about what happened. So now that Nikocado finally said what happened, I'm like, wow. Because to be completely honest with you, I love both of those YouTubers. I started watching Trisha Paytas on, I think way before I started watching Nick, but just because I loved her personality. And I used to watch her like Taco Bell mukbangs back in the day. But yeah. So I mean until Trisha said something, because obviously Nikocado had the receipts, so he was telling the truth. And it was kind of disappointing because, like I said, I love both of them. I've been watching Trisha longer. But as soon as I started watching Nick, I fell in love with Nick too. So I love Nick's videos. I watch his videos every single day because he knows he posts every single day. And Trisha's videos, I do still watch. I watch most of her videos. Some of them I don't anymore, but I watch him every single day. And I just love them both so much, so it made me so sad. I would love to see a collab between the two of them, so it made me so sad that, you know, that's probably never going to happen. They're so good. I'm almost done. I'm getting full too, but I'm going to finish it. For sure. But yeah, I just love them both. So it's kind of disappointing to know that she did that to him. And because I've always been that person that's been like on her side no matter what drama she's in, because I feel like I connect with her with how we deal with our emotions. So I've always been on her side. You know, I watch her videos with my boyfriend a lot, and you know, he's always like, he's just not a fan of her, and I am, so I'm always kind of like defending her. Excuse me. So to see that and see her like ignore Nick like that, I'm sure there must have been something else going on or something that happened to make her do that. At least I wish. That's why I kind of wish she would have just addressed it. Like, it just doesn't make sense to me to get his hopes all up and then just bail on him like that. You know? Like I said, I don't know her personally either, but I do, from what I see, I like her. And I feel like she's not a bad person, which is why I'm just so confused and disappointed. So yeah, I just wish she would address that to try to clear that up, or at least even if you did ignore him because, I don't know, for whatever reason you just changed your mind, and you know, at least just apologize, because even if you just changed your mind at the last minute, you should still apologize for making him go through all that, you know? Like, just apologize. Like, no one's gonna hate on you for it. You're still gonna have the amount of followers that you're gonna have. You're still gonna have supporters. I'm still gonna support both of you. But if you know you're wrong, just admit that you're wrong, you know? And I feel like, I don't know, from what I've seen of her, I feel like she would. So it's just, the whole situation is just really confusing me. My last one. So, also down in the comments, tell me what you think about that whole situation. I would love to hear. Like I said, I love both those YouTubers, so I would love to discuss that with you guys. Pretty much done. This is my last shrimp. This was delicious. I think next time I want to try something different though. I got what I always used to get, just because, you know, memories and stuff. But I see they have a whole bunch of new stuff. So next time I go, I'm gonna try new stuff. So comment down below what you want me to get from Panda Express the next time that I do a mukbang on it. Last bite. So guys, this is my cat. This is Mittens. He's upset that I picked him up, but that's him. No, I showed you guys him. So there you go. As he runs away. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I would love to hear your thoughts on the Tati and James Charles situation, and also the Nikocado and Trisha situation. Tell me what you think down below, and we can have a conversation about it. And tell me what you guys want me to eat next time. And thank you guys so much for watching.